afternoon. It just turned lunchtime, 12:02 on July the 11th, Thursday. And back out on the Indian Roadmaster. Chose this bike. I haven't been on it in a while because I've been breaking in the new Gull Wing and trying to get used to it. Where all the controls are, such as the turn signal lever, just a foot placement on the pegs, and what else? The fact that it has an automatic transmission is quite a change from what the Indian is. And the engine is a 6-speed manual. The shift lever obviously is there. The clutch lever is there, where I don't have that on the Gull Wing. And that's not that much of a transition challenge for me. But more importantly is I keep having to look for my turn signal lever. And there it is, right in the middle of the control pod. But it's in a completely different height on the Gull Wing. So for this ride, I've been having to look down and look for it. Also, the horn is in a different place. The Indian horn is up high, and the Gull Wing's lever, I should say horn button, is like the middle of the control pod. So there has been a transition challenge for me on this, on adding the new bike. But I think the more I ride the two, the better I will be. At least that's what I'm hoping. I don't like having to look for controls. I like to have muscle memory take care of that. I didn't have that issue when going from the Spider to the Indian. I don't know why that is. Also on the Gull Wing, the minus lever, which downshifts the bike, is complete opposite of the minus lever of the Spider F3. So when you want to downshift, you go behind it on the Spider, and on the Gull Wing you go in front of it. So it's still learning curve for me. I'm trying to equate it all to my muscle memory. I don't know if y'all have the same transition issues if you ride more than one motorcycle. But the challenge has presented itself, and so far I'm up for the challenge. I've got to be a little bit more cautious till I learn the distinctions between how one bike works and how the other one doesn't. That was a yield sign, and you never know who's barreling down the highway. So other than that, it's a great day to be out here messing with the transition between the two bikes. Of course, this one has floorboards, the other one has pegs, different foot positions. This one has a heel shifter, the other one has no shifter. So still getting used to the two of them, but enjoying the process. It's 97 degrees at this point out here. It is quite warm. I did put the cooling vest or evaporative vest on before I left. So as I said in prior videos, I believe the cooling vest drops the ambient temperature on your core body about 20 degrees, as long as there's water in it. So I've got extra water to bring with me. Today won't be a long ride. I haven't eaten lunch yet. of busy this week with my wife going out of town, my son and his girlfriend coming into town for a day or day and a half, then me picking them up from the airport and then bringing them to the airport. It's been a little hectic around here. But I had the Indian all shined up and cleaned up prior to this ride, and I couldn't wait. It's been too long since I've been on this bike and enjoyed or missed enjoying the ride on her. So just taking her out to the lake today and going to grab a power bar and then head back for home.